Hi guys, here's Marie Stick here, and here's the siren going off for you guys. Wow, you can hear that clear as a bell, but it should be going off any time. Usually a minute or a few seconds after the announcement. But it should be going off any time. I hope you enjoy this video, and this is for you siren guys out there. Kind of hard to hear it during the air conditioner fan, but it should go off any minute. Unless that's it. Oh, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe. There's the test. I think it's a Whelen 2905, but I'm not 100% sure. Goes off for a 1-minute test. So this video might last 4 minutes. You can hear it clear as a bell from here. I'm impressed. Yeah, the last two videos were kind of not bad because you could barely hear it over the wind and stuff, but this is a good video. I'm impressed. Wow, I think they got both of them fired up. I'll wait until that one goes off and end my video. So this might last 5 minutes. because they got 2 Whelens, one at the back of the campus and one on top of the building with a disabled Model 7. Oh, and there it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wow, that's a surprise. They each one went off at a different time. Well, I hope you enjoy. Peace out.